Can't take you. Can't take you. Can't take you. Who is here? Team Walker Mocha? Team Walker? Why? We need you to walk her. Let's put some music. Música, por favor. Música. Música. We're pumping. Dropping lower. Really looks like taking out the previous day low, and then I think we're in like more of a discounted range if we use the premium to discount here. Yeah, nah. I just want to see if we continue to drop lower after sweeping the liquidity by 10 o'clock. No, yeah, it looks like we just pump lower, and then we're hitting that 4-hour buy side or that balance price range. I need to clean this up too. Right here, and then you clean out the chart up. So we're just gonna see. I want to see the forex pairs because I wanted Euro to go up more and it dropped. That's kind of what I wanted. And then I think for GU the same thing. Euro GPP here. You know, I think we're gonna aim for here and then probably consolidate. So I think Euros was gonna be the stronger one for a little bit. And then we're just gonna go and start, you know, I think we're gonna move in correlation more after that for sure. One more music over here. GJ, let's look at GJ 1 hour. A big imbalance here on the 1 hour. You can see us coming up and then filling that up inside. And then eventually dropping. Or let's go look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is a better one for sure. But I'm just breaking down the 1 hour. 15-minute. We have these lows right here. Let me review this real quick. So today, I woke up a little bit late. I won't lie. That's why we streamed a little bit late. And I probably will have to go a little bit earlier. So I'm going to try to give you all what I expect. And then I'm probably have to go. I'm probably have to walk my dog. So I wasn't able to walk her this morning. So that's kind of a bummer. Main reason why is because there was another dog on the road that was big. You know, it's going to eat my dog basically. It would munch on it for breakfast. Like right now, breakfast pretty much. But I'm reviewing my charting, and let's start up on the daily before I go. I'm gonna try to make this stream a little bit longer, but this might be one of the shortest ones for sure. Just because of that, you know. But on the daily time frame, you can see we had a small retracement, and we retraced back into that sell side imbalance on NQ. For ES, we had a smaller one. That was our sell side imbalance. We tapped into it, then we dropped. For me, I would have expected at least, we come up one more time and then drop. But, we are dropping now. So today's Wednesday. This looks like a classic Hive week Tuesday. I feel like we're just going to continue to drop. For me, I think we're going to hit this order block and take out these lows. And then for NQ, I feel like we're just going to stab through all this and then eventually come down to the buy side imbalance there. Then let's go to Dixie. Dixie time frame, or Dixie, we have 1 day. Don't worry, I'll come back and I'll scout down for these. But on the dollar index here, we have an inversion fair value gap. We took out the previous week low. We took out these lows too. Very, very juicy. And then eventually we have dealing range. We came into a discount and then we rallied. So my draw on liquidity now is pretty much these relative equal highs from the previous week high. I want us to rally up, take those out. If we want to stab through this, then that's perfectly fine. But I would prefer us just to close a little bit below the previous week low. And then that would be pretty much good for the dollar index. And then for the forex pairs, the same thing. I want us to come down a little bit more, stab through the mean threshold of the daily order block, and then eventually come down a little bit further, and then come back into the inverse and then drop. But I do want us to see us take out these lows for sure. Same thing for dollar index, take out these highs. It just looks too promising. This is classic Tuesday Hive week, and then we're going to drop probably Thursday, take these out. Wednesday we have a continuation day, and Thursday we take them out. And then, Friday pretty much we retrace back into the weekly range. And that's pretty much what I expect. We're going to drop down though. And then for SPX, I do want to see how we close in 16 minutes on this 4-hour candle. If we close below the inversion, and then for NQ, if we close below the balance price range, if we respect it, we rally higher. We do have a little buy side balance here. That's kind of why it's a BPR. And then for Euro USD, I want to see us retrace back into this a little bit further, or a little bit deeper into a premium, and then start dropping, and then probably take out these lows, which is very promising, and probably come back and fill this imbalance. That's kind of what I see here. And overall, just complete the market maker somewhat on the higher time frame premise on Euro. But of course, you have a little retracements, then drop. GU, the same thing, but GU looks a lot weaker here because of the Euro GBP. And another market maker sell model here on the 4-hour. I do see us completing it, and I would prefer again just a little bit deeper of a stab and probably hitting these two up close candles in order block, and then dropping, and then probably the consequent encroachment this week. That'll be a draw. CAD, I don't know if we're gonna talk about CAD. So I think this is gonna be it for what I'm expecting right now. So we got till 10 o'clock. That's kind of what I'm waiting for to take a trade. But what's up, Shino? I seen the Discord right now, bro. I just closed it, but I just seen it. I'm gonna go on my phone real quick. I'm gonna promote you to a certified trader, brother. You deserve it, man. You deserve the role. I usually give it out to people that just been in there for a while and just keep showing consecutive trades, on a consistent basis. But I think you're the first one to show live. I don't think the other traders really don't show live trades, except for 2C. And he's more of a crypto trader. And then sometimes Assassin or... No, yeah, those two really only the ones that show trades. Let's see. So yeah, no, that's pretty much it. But yeah, no, W trades. So we're going to be seeing this on the 4-hour. We'll see how we close. If we climb up, drop. And then SPX. come back up, drop. You already took your trade. You don't plan on taking any more trades today? That's it. I think anything, all these pairs might be good. Take the trades. We just need more of a macro to come in and probably come back and hit these. I don't even think there's any SMT right now. There's no SMT here. Yeah, no, probably only these. Probably nothing. Probably nothing for right now. Probably in the hard time frame you'll find one. Just keep scaling. Yeah, probably these highs taken out. Euros and taking them out. So there's a big SMT there on the 4 hour. That's pretty much it. Might look for one more. Not too sure yet. Nah, yeah, no. If you don't want to force your hand, bro, like you already won. You already took your W, for the day. You don't need to force anything. If it just comes to you, it comes to you, bro. Like, don't be hesitant. Take it. Take another W, bro, if you have to. So we already took all these lows for sure. And everything looks in correlation with the indices. Probably just this right here. That was probably the only correlation. And that was a clear market maker sell model here. Even ICT called it, I think. So we're just pumping lower now. Damn. I only see this right here. Only see an inverse probably. Probably getting tapped into. Even then, I don't even think we're going to react to it much. I'm probably going to have to go at probably like an hour in the stream probably. That's a dip. Okay, the same inverse there on the 1 hour. So they have both inverse. I just don't like to use. I like to use just external, internal levels going into external. So we swept all this already. This classically looks like a Tuesday high week. Even if earnings made this high, I just see it because of this high right here, this prominent high there in New York. It's low. So New York usually, it's weird, like the indices usually have two market maker models. So we have one right here, AM, and then PM session we have another one. AM session we had one, and then PM session we had one. On clear days, of course. On unclear days we have this sloppy and then another sloppy one. Or it's just one market maker model throughout the day, like this, and then eventually just continues from the PM session. Like one, and then it continues. So it comes 50%. That's kind of why I take a profit at 50% of the dealing range only, and then at the market maker is low, or to complete the market maker. That's usually all I do. I don't usually, majority of the time, if I see like 3 PD arrays I like to back up my stop loss, I just move it to break even right then and there. But yeah, we got 11 minutes. We're gonna be watching to see how we close. I would like us to close bearishly and then retrace and then drop even further. Forex pairs, I want to see us come up a little bit more and then start dropping. I'm gonna see if we have any news right now. For sure. So for CAD we have 10 o'clock news. We have Bank of Canada monetary policy report. You can see how much money they're printing. BOC rate statement, overnight rate. And then BOC press conference, so the Bank of Canada. Then the Fed Chair Powell speaks today. Jerome H. Powell, the federal chairman, which was a governor of the federal government committee in 2012 by Barack Obama. That was appointed in there. And, no, yeah. So we're just going to see, We're going to see how we close. I think we're just going to close bearishly, honestly. I just see us closing bearish, opening and dropping further. Let me see, this is what I expect here. So we close bearish. We come up. We hit this. Or maybe dig deeper. I would prefer just like right here. And then drop. We take out the lows. If not, it's more like a continuation. So, damn, why does Path always do that? So either like we drop, come up, come back, drop, and just hit the consequent encroachment there, and then retrace and then drop. Or we can get the complete opposite. Maybe come up, we drop, and then we start rallying. That would be the least expected. Just more of a continuation, especially further. Unless Fed share probably moves the market all the way up, but I doubt it because it's gonna be PM session. We're hitting the, and I can just see us retracing and then dropping further. If not, just making a whole market maker buy model here, and then continuing up like this right here. But I would probably have to sweep out for me to complete a market maker buy model. You know, I don't think I need to sweep liquidity, even though this is like a good area of liquidity. The sweep right here, this low, and then to rebalance or reprice into an inefficiency. I just prefer to sweep more liquidity, like external level, like this, swipe liquidity externally, and then eventually try to create that model. Here, even though we didn't get that, we were more inside of an internal range. I would just prefer an external level. You can, of course, scale it down and find one. I won't be able to find one. Just reading the market here, I guess, seeing the PD arrays. But just see what's clear. Sell side balance there. I think the forex pairs would probably look a lot better for me to trade, honestly. I haven't shifted my focus more off of them, but I'm gonna try to get back into it, even though they aren't the best to trade, honestly, right now. I just prefer, I don't know. You just already know what the clear direction is. On these, I don't know, you gotta be more on the sidelines and be more cautious, I guess. Mainly just be on both sides. Some days you'll be on both sides, some days you won't. Maybe this is all the Judah swing, you know? Maybe 930 was a fake out. As soon as 930 came out, a fake out, then we start rallying. New York midnight's all the way up there. Anything above midnight, this right here, premium, we're in a discount. Since it's bearish for sure. I doubt it though. I doubt it for sure. I just think we're gonna continue bearish. Yeah, I just see it's going bearish more. Probably on NQ. Probably take a trade on NQ. We come up. I feel like no, it's just way too deep into a premium already. Just come up to come up and then take a short. It has to be cleared for me. I don't know. That's kind of why I'm leaning more to the forex pairs. I feel like majority of the move already happened on this one. But if we are able to come up, retrace, and then drop, I'll clearly take it. Has to be very clear to me. This one is holding this inverse. NQ has an inverse too. It's not nowhere near it actually though. It actually is topping it, but it's not even hitting consequent encroachment. Stabbed into it. This one too. This one is building up high resistance. It's all high resistance liquidity all right here. Just want to see is This would be a breaker if we did close. I would have probably looked to enter a little shorts. Here on this one, you can see this one is not building up. This is all low resistance. This one's all high resistance. Horrible price action on Euro. GU looks a lot better. Just the weakness is displayed in GU and looks perfect for me. This shit looks juicy. I'm not even gonna lie. I want to see us take out this high or respect this and then start dropping. I want to see us come back up to premium for sure, for sure. We're inside that weekly buy side imbalance, but we're just disrespecting it. I think we're for sure, I see us coming down. I won't take a trade here right now. I'm probably gonna wait a little bit, then take one. I need more confirmation for sure. Usually, like, these are the type of trades I lose when I enter too soon. And it's like on just entering off an imbalance. I need more confirmation. The model I trade is 22 model with the MMX. It's the one I prefer the most, honestly. So here would have to probably form a market maker sell model here, but we aren't getting that. You can see, so I can see it's just coming up a little bit more. With a former market maker sell model, with to start just showing buy side to the curve and then sell side, and we enter probably when the sell side is clear to be created. It's like that. Smart money reversal. Usually at the smart money. I'm trying to catch the smart money reversal. Some days it goes wrong though, you know. Some days you enter right here and it's not there. It's somewhere over here. And that's why you gotta zoom out. That's why I needed zoom out. Zoom out. You gotta zoom out, boys, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it's important to zoom out. Look at the higher time frame premise. See where you're going on the higher time frame. And try to use time elements, of course, to push your trade. So it's kind of a macro here. From 950 all the way to 1010. We passed that up 1010 right here. So that's why we're running liquidity. This one is about to hit 10 o'clock in 3 minutes. So we're gonna come back to that. We're gonna see. Euro just looks a lot stronger. Came up all the way up. Even on the 5 minute, it just looks clear. I want to see if we can start having that signs of rejection. Probably make this inverse market structure shift, retrace and then drop. GU, damn, you can just see that. Close. At least we close in here. Seems like we are respecting it, of course. Let's make it a little bit more precise, especially in the 5 minute. It looks a lot more precise. The 1 minute didn't look too precise, so we have more of a buy side imbalance here. Here, I wouldn't want to take the trade there yet. On this one too, we have it. On the 5 minutes, we don't really have it. We have an inverse there, honestly. With the high resistance. 15-minute time frame. This buy side imbalance with an order block on the 1 hour. Oh no, on the 15, just on the 15. So we have a 1 hour sell side imbalance too that we're filling up right now. But I would just prefer the 15 one since it is more precise. It is very much. We have that buy side. This looks like it's going to be an inverse on the 5. If we close at 10. Just right now. So, $2. Dollar is kind of a. I can see us dropping a little bit further, honestly. On dollars, since we already took out this. I was aiming, this was my target, of course, so we can just come back to 50% of this range. And then target the previous week high. I wouldn't really mind that, honestly. Yeah, now if we come back to a discount and start to rally, that'd be a beautiful retracement. Same thing for Euro, you know, I want us to come up into a premium. So all these little short-term levels don't really matter as much. So you can't really get caught up on those. 1 hour, we're just retracing now. Looks like we're respecting this. And then the 4 hour, we're opening up now on the 4 hour. So we close inside the buy side, or the balance price range I'm in. And then on ES or SPX, close below the inverse. And we are inside the inversion on the 1 hour. Looks very, very clear to me that ES looks very bearish. Wow. NQ not as much. NQ looks a lot stronger, honestly. This might be a market buy model. So I'll be a Judah swing. We come up to 50% of the range, honestly, and then we come back down. That's what I see. Kind of what I'm expecting, honestly. If not, then we're just going to continue. We're going to make these PD arrays inverse. We'll start dropping further. And that's perfectly fine with me. Wouldn't mind shorting right now. Then we are dropping now. You can see that. We get a market structure shift. That's even further for me. It's confirmation. To confirm lower prices for sure. Yes, just continued drop after 4 hour. Open up. I'm thinking about the open high and low close though for sure. We have a little inverse here. We're coming up. We're hitting that. There's a little change in the state of delivery. So we're just bouncing off of it. Doesn't seem like we want to go further. I think this is SMT. Yeah. So ES already took those lows out. NQ hasn't. Clear SMT to me. We're just pumping now. We're going back up. Looks very clear to where we want to go. For sure, for sure. I see us taking out these lows for sure. And then probably after that, we're going to have to probably retrace. It's very indecisive right now for both of them. Maybe we retrace. And that's honestly it. For now, we're respecting this inverse. I do want to see his drop on NQ while ES starts to rally up for sure. So it looks like, I don't know. I feel like we're both sides right now. Honestly, I wouldn't want to be able to trade this. Honestly, I feel like the forex pairs would probably be a lot better for me. I feel like these are just I don't know. It just seems like we're on both sides for the indices right now. There's like no clear direction if we want to continue up or drop. Yes, looks like it just respecting this. NQ is coming back into the balanced price range. 15-minute time frame looks like we're just tired of being bearish. ES 15-minute time frame looks like we want to continue being bearish. So it's like cracking correlation right now. ES took out those lows. NQ never took out those lows. Very clear cracking correlation. Just NQ looks like it wants to refill this south side imbalance here, while ES looks like it wants to probably drop or retrace 2 and then drop. So I think I'll just probably stick with the forex pairs for me. I don't know if I want to trade the indices, honestly. I'll probably try to find a trade here. It just isn't ideal for me, it isn't ideal for me to trade those. This either though. Look at this. This is crazy. What is this? This CAD news. It's I don't know. It's very unideal as of right now for both. I just can't see myself. I was honestly hoping the new buy model, 3 week low. I guess indices don't wanna. I mean, yeah, nah, NQ did sweep. Nah, it didn't. It already swept it, I think, yeah. ES, yeah, no, both of them already did sweep. Probably like the previous day, all these lows. And then probably being in a discount, I would probably want to see higher prices. But we aren't getting that right now, I guess. I think we're just both sides of the range, undefined. Especially during this time window, 10, left, 950, 1010. I just probably see us coming. I don't know. I feel like NQ has to take out these lows while ES doesn't, because it already did. Or that just goes to show SMT, the strength in NQ while ES is weak, and NQ could probably be the leader one to push price higher. For sure, for sure. So that's kind of what I'm seeing. I mean, I wouldn't be too enticed to buy. I mean, yeah, I can see the buy model forming, like the smart money reversal here. We come back up to like 50% of the range. I wouldn't be too inclined for that, since we are respecting this more of like a balanced price range here. It seems like we want higher prices to me. ES for sure. I don't know. ES has to confirm it though, while NQ is already confirming it. I would want to see more higher prices on NQ probably. I don't know. I feel like if we are bound to drop on NQ, we're gonna take out these lows for sure and continue lower. Getting that volume balance right now. See if we print. See, like, it's just both sides of the range. Honestly, on Forex too, it's really just both sides. USD CAD, bullish news, dollars, just straight. I don't know, just chilling. Seems like we're about to drop. I think this is the little market maker sell model. To get these lows, it's completed, I guess. I don't know. I feel like we might. Yeah, I feel like we just might. This is bad in correlation right now. So yeah, no, NQ is not even below those lows, while ES is. You just see it cracking correlation. NQ is the stronger one. We are dropping on the Forex pairs. I'm gonna be watching this, honestly. That means dollar's gonna have to start rallying higher. Yeah, it already is. Alright. GU doesn't look like it wants to drop yet. I guess retracing. Wouldn't mind if we come up there. Same thing for Euro. Come back and drop. This one I would prefer it up here, honestly. I would prefer, honestly. Yeah, I feel like we're bound to drop. And Q's like on both sides right now. GPB is crossing, Euro's crossing. Let me see. Hold on, I'm gonna wait real quick to take a short. Let's see if we rally up a little bit further. Yeah, no. Let's see if we show signs of rejection here. Okay, we're showing signs of rejection. I want to see us hold this. Inverse. Okay. We're holding it. Wicks are doing the damage. I want to see if the bodies tell the story. It's like a choppy range too on in Euro though. It wouldn't look too ideal. For sure, ladies and gentlemen. And probably break these lows too. That'll be a market structure shift on the hard time frame premise. Hope we get a nice play, mate. Good luck. Honestly, bro, I'm gonna try. I'm trying to see if we form a market maker buy model here. It's gonna be SMT already. I can see NQ forming it before ES. And then nah, yeah, it just seems clear. Maybe this is right here. It's already SMT. Clear SMC right here. Let's put it right here for this. Let's put it on this one. A little order block. Probably respect that. I want to see this become inverse for sure. Even though we already broke through it, I want to see it become inverse. Let's leave it on there. Euro respecting that. NQ. Or yes, we are still inside of that range. Respect this right here. These two down close candles. Rally higher. I want to see this one hold. Alright, so we're respecting it. I want to see us respect it. Zoom out a little bit. Just looks clear. Clear market maker buy model. If we start rallying, these are all just high resistance. This high resistance, this low resistance. I see these being taken out for sure right here. All these lows right there, taken out. Especially with this one too, prominent. Has to be taken out, bro. It doesn't. I guess GU is a little stronger as of right now. See Euro GPP dropping. We're dropping on Euro GPP. Goes to show weakness on Euro, while the other one is showing strength. I don't even know if I'll be able to take a trade today. Probably not. It's not forming the market maker buy model. Again, we didn't respect that. Seems like we're about to just take out those lows. ES never respected that. Created a SIBI. Euro is inside of another south center balance here. I want to see if we hold this. Euro looks weaker than GU right now. It's kind of crazy, especially on Euro GPB. Seems like we're about to hold this. I wouldn't even want to take a trade on this either. All this high resistance built up. It's like back and forth, high resistance. I would want to see this one break for sure. Yeah, okay, we're breaking now. Even these lows, I'd prefer to break. 1 hour. Yeah, I feel like we're gonna reach those. I would have preferred. I still prefer deeper retracement. This one is dropping already. I feel like we're gonna bound to retrace soon. If we continue dropping, then of course market structure shift. I'm about to just see. Hey, bro. The market is moving clean. I paper traded a 100 handle move today. I'd love to hear that. I love it. For indices, it's moving clean. For Forex, I don't know. It's not really moving too clean. Especially on Euro right now. It's just building up high resistance. GU, same thing, really. I think I'm just wait for more of a. Probably tomorrow. I don't think PM session is going to offer much on Forex. Probably in the season will. drop it. It's all accumulation right here. It's accumulation. Then we're gonna have manipulation soon. It's gonna be up here, manipulation. It's gonna be right here, manipulation. I mean, here we go. It's either one of the two, honestly. Can't see either one. Not going to fruition. It's AMD right here. It's accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Bro, I'm down like 1% on this whole week, bro. I'm still yet to find a good trade. Yesterday, I think one break even, and then we lost, I think, 0.5% yesterday. Around there. I don't know how much it was. I think it was a break even. But Monday, I think I lost. And then PM session, I think I took one out yesterday too. So I think that's what put me down 0.5% yesterday. I think AM session we were break even. PM session, that's where we lost. Very unfortunate loss. So ran through that. Time distortion. This one looks probably the best forex pair to trade. Honestly. Eurocat is just pumping. Little rejection block up here. Alright. You see that? Just clear market maker model with that market maker sell model. Little market maker sell model that formed, but news came out and just ruined it. Ruined your expectations or hopes and dreams to go lower, and then it just. Let's put this right there. So we're about to hit an hour on the stream. That's when I'm gonna have to go, guys. It's a little early stream. A little earlier than usual, honestly. It's looking like 20 minutes. It has really been working for me when using other PD arrays to predict where price is going. Would definitely recommend if not using. How do you use recent days, weeks, highs to determine where price is going? You just use them, I guess. I don't know. It's hard. I guess you just use previous day high and low. Or, yeah. Or you can use relative equal highs for weekly profiles to see what the weekly candle is going to be like right here. Tuesday high of week. Tuesday right here. Tuesday high of week. And then we start dropping. We'll see where New York is on this one. It's up there. So we're in a deep discount. I see as we're tracing. Really is time distortion here on this one. Oh, I didn't even open Discord. That's one thing I need to start doing. Just waking up earlier. So I wouldn't have this problem. I'm not even talking about the charts. I'm talking about my dog, walking my dog a little bit earlier. And then doing like breath work and some other stuff for like a morning routine. As soon as I wake up, I usually wake up like at 8 my time, so that's like already 9 New York time. So I want to wake up a little earlier, probably like around 8 New York time, 7 my time. That's what I originally have my alarm clock on, but I usually just stay in bed. But I need to start waking up a little bit more early. Probably even earlier than that, honestly. Let's see if we drop. I think we're dropping, honestly, on this one. This wouldn't look too bad. It was short. Inversed. We start dropping on CAD. Clear. It's very clear on CAD. Not a day in my life where I don't see this dropping. We're really bearish on S&P today. Nah, yeah, we are, man. It's kind of expected, honestly. Especially just how we have been moving recently. It just seemed like it was gonna be a lot of bearish movement coming in, or at least just taking out the previous day low. For me, it just seemed like it wanted to. That's kind of what I saw. Let's see, we're reacting. We have another imbalance here, sell side imbalance here. I just want to see this drop a little bit on CAD, and if we drop on CAD, I think the dollar is going to be dropping too. So that means the forex pairs are probably going to have to be going up soon. This one has very clean price action after the news. That's what I'm starting to see. Now, but for the indices, the main reason we dropped, honestly, for me was for NQ. If you go on a daily, I was if you watch the beginning of the stream, I was basically doing an analysis. So why we dropped, we had a little sell side imbalance here. We came and filled that up yesterday, probably above the consequent encroachment, just a little bit. Then we started dropping, and of course we took out some form of buy side liquidity, all these highs up here, and then we started just rallying lower. So that was, it's a clear market maker sell model when we come up like this. I do see it's coming back down here. That's kind of why I was waiting more for the balance price range or the 4-hour candle to come in. I just see us coming back up a little bit further and then start dropping. I don't see us, strictly just dropping. If it does happen like that, then I was just wrong, Sometimes we get that, sometimes we don't. It's really just time elements. That's why I'm using this here at AMD, if we want to drop further. I would prefer to come at least 50% of the range, then start dropping. That's what I always do. Yo, what's up, Average? What's up, Devin? Recently, I have been good at using higher time frame PD arrays, and it has mainly been because I have tried the way your journal really helps. Thanks. Yeah, bro. That's good. I like to hear that. Warms my heart, man, that I help somebody. It really does, man. Main reason why is because I used to struggle like that too. I used to struggle just reading higher time frame PD arrays. I'll be stuck on the lower time frames, and I'll just make bad trading decisions. And then my journaling, of course, be like this, one chart only, and I'll take a screenshot of the trade. Suppose, like, say this was the trade right here. I'll take a screenshot of the trade. I'll be like, oh, I got stopped out right here. Say I got stopped out right there. I'll be like, oh, I got stopped out, and I took a screenshot, and then that would be pretty much it. You wouldn't be able to see the 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour. You wouldn't understand like why, if you align all the other time frames with their PD arrays and then the lower ones, you wouldn't be able to see where you went wrong. So, I was basically inconsistent because I wasn't improving in my journaling, and I think that's one thing that's slept on a lot is your journaling. I think reviewing your trades and understanding where you went wrong is a very big aspect in trading. So you don't make those mistakes. You know, you're not learning from your mistakes if you're not journaling it correctly. I'll try to do school stuff. You got to deal with it, man. You got to finish school, man. Get that diploma. It is what it is. Even if you're in advanced classes, you're already in there, man. School year's already, I think, no, it's not halfway, but better be. No, but yeah, back to the journaling and the charting. I think the charting is it's a game changer for me too, honestly. Like, if you're just doing a top down from the monthly to the weekly, you're going to see why those candles are going where they're going, and you just follow that direction. Same thing, yeah, no, the weekly's been bearish. You can see that. We have a market maker sell model on the weekly. Very, very anticipated here to go down here, take out these lows, and then probably hit this order block before and bounce and then drop further. If not, then of course, we go rally. We can form a market maker buy model. It's clear, on the higher time frames. Once you start using that premise, with market maker models and then the 22 model to enter, it's very clear, bro. Like, you're gonna find the direction you're going in, where and why. So the forex pairs were rallying. I wouldn't want to see euro go up more. GU is going up for sure. We'd love to see that. This would be a lot. It'd be a better short, honestly. For me to enter, I'll probably have to enter after London close kicks in. So probably have to right here. Or probably 11 to 10, 12. Probably enter a trade. Going into the lunch session. Going into the lunch session, I'll take a trade. If we go to a premium, take out some buy side, and then probably hit the Bukowski encroachment, reprice it to the sell side, stab into it, and then we start dropping. I'll probably take a trade there. Again, why? Because the weekly, look at the weeklies. Bearish, 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 bearish. Daily, bearish, bearish, bearish. You can see the daily, we hit that sell side imbalance on the daily Monday, and then Tuesday we start dropping. I think, yesterday would have been a very good trade, honestly. More of a continuation day. Filling this up. Now I can see it's just going up, hitting that, repricing, and then going lower. It's very clear, You have another sell side imbalance there inside of a premium. That would be like an OTE model, and then we start dropping, taking out these lows for sure. But I think euro, I would prefer it on euro because we have more relative equal lows on here, and then another set, and then another set. I think euro it would look a lot better on euro, and probably the holder would be a lot better on euro. But euro just showing nothing but weakness right now. I would have wanted to trade the indices, but the move already happened. Majority of it already happened. They're in like the opening range. The best case scenario here is probably this PM session or like a lunch reversal with like a market maker buy model. Just come up with lunch, have 50%, then PM session we just drop again. I don't see us going up any higher from this. So we're already taking out these lows. That candle right there. What do y'all expect? I want to see what the chat expects here for indices. B4X doesn't matter to me, NQ is below the low, right? NQ is below these lows. Yes, I'll create a relative lows. Next week, be careful. Non-farm payroll. Alright, I'm gonna check right now, honestly. Next week. Yeah, I usually don't even trade the day before non-farm payroll. I try to stay away from it. Let's see. So we also have bank holidays on the Wednesday, November 1st. Forex pairs. Probably the indices here. Damn, bro, we have FOMC and NFP. Oh my goodness. This week is chaotic. This is chaotic, bro. Oh my goodness. Nah, yeah, I'm probably gonna be. I don't even know if I want to trade next week. Probably only Tuesday, and then Wednesday or Monday. I mean, Monday and Tuesday would probably be the best days. Wednesday is a holiday for Euro, so, and then there's FOMC for the indices, and then we have 10 o'clock news, which is even worse. Something like probably not even an AM session trade, PM session for sure, not even a PM session trade. It's gonna be chop fest until this comes out. And this right here is gonna probably make majority of the liquidity gone, and you probably won't be able to enter a trade. Probably early before. Even then, we have 8:15 news, so it's like where would you want to? Probably like 9:30 opening, but even then you have 10 o'clock news, so 10 to 2. It's probably like the worst time to even take a news. 8 o'clock we have 8 o'clock kind of, I don't know, but then we have NFP, so I feel like Thursday will probably be a consolidation day. A very choppy, sloppy range on Tuesday. And let's go see. Probably, yeah, I don't know. I'll see Thursday. We might be able to trade Tuesday and Monday. I'll see if we can trade those two. I'll probably wait for 10 o'clock consumer confidence. And then for Monday, I don't think we have anything that's too crazy, just for Euro. And then that's it. GPB, JPY. I probably won't trade GJ. But if there's like big news like this for this is only for Euro though. Euro holidays. I think even then Forex will be affected. Even Euro, I think. I mean GPB. I don't know. I'll probably have to see. I'll probably have to experiment there. See if there's injection of volatility. And then I think Thursday, Tuesday, and then Monday. I'll see Friday too, of course, after the news, after 10 o'clock, all this is done with. I'll see if the market is moving good. So Friday maybe, Thursday maybe too. I would guarantee Tuesday and Monday. I don't know about Wednesday. Wednesday's more of a chaotic day. I probably would want to stay away from Wednesday, since it's just like all around. It's like no, FOMC is probably one of the worst news events to trade. Probably after, but even then it's 2:30. So probably after like 2:30, probably be a good trade idea. Probably after all this is settled, going into like the closing, like 3 to 4. Even then, I don't think will be good. So probably Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday for sure. Wednesday, Thursday. No, Wednesday, Thursday, it might, maybe. Friday, probably after. So that's it. Power 3 manipulation right here, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're gonna have that distribution phase. Should you also chart euro and dollar when trading CME futures? Nah. If you're not trading future forex, then probably don't chart it. I trade everything, so I kind of chart everything. Some days I trade euro, some days I trade GU. So we are hitting a premium too on GU. I'll probably keep my eye on it. See if we start seeing signs of a reversal, probably during London close. This is all built up high resistance, low resistance actually already here. Euro's high resistance, I forgot. Yeah, that's probably Euro's all high resistance until now. But stick with the forex or the indices if you're gonna be trading futures. You don't have to chart forex pairs. It's not, I think it's gonna be a waste of your storage if you're not trading them. I mean, it would be good to like look at them here and there if you plan on getting into it. But if you don't, then probably not really. It's because I've seen ICT using Euro USD to determine if it's going to trade on the Nasdaq. On the Nasdaq, you're using Euro and Nasdaq. You can see, look at the correlation. Nothing alike. Nasdaq had that price action, bro. I wouldn't be even looking at it right now. That's just pumping. Nasdaq's not pumping yet. About to though, because of the AMD. It's all the manipulation phase. Let me add quarterly theory to see where the manipulation phase was on this 90-minute cycle. That was before, yeah. All this right here was a 90-minute cycle of manipulation. Quarterly theory. So yeah, it's quarterly theory here, ladies and gentlemen. We're in signs of a reversal now, right here in this quarter, from 10 to 12, 10:30, I think. This is a 90-minute cycle. Yeah. Why aren't the labels showing up? I'll prefer if it shows up, please. Please, quarterly theory, please. I don't use quarterly theory, but I've been kind of shifting my focus more to it. It helps, but sometimes it's not working. You just really have to you have to really know what cycle you're in, and kind of like XAMD, seeing which one. I think it works better on the indices for me. Took a unicorn trade at an order block, started at 9 a.m. I think, and then it just went down. My stop loss at the recent day's low. I was anticipating it would go there. Go today. That's good, bro. Look, as long as you charted that, and like you expected, and you go win into the day and you filled your expectations, journal the trade, bro, and just yeah, journal the trade. Talk about how you felt, why you anticipated it, how you expected it to happen, and what you felt, I guess, and the risk, and then the different time frames, I guess. So on this one we did drop, not as much as I would have wanted. We did hit a discount though for sure. DJ, I think we hit that sell sign balance on the hourly rate. Yeah, we hit that sell sign balance. And the previous day low. What is this? Not an immediate rebalance. I think it would be a. Actually, I don't even know. Immediate rebalance is not like that on the daily either. I don't think so. This looks clear like a market maker sell model to me. On GGPB JPY. On the GGGP JPY. GGGP JPY. On the S&P. The S&P right here, right? Order block 930. Oh, you opened that. You tried it as soon as 930 opened. That's crazy. You opened. You traded with the New York Stock Exchange. You're following the market maker models. You're following the market makers, I should say. You were in the market maker hands at that point, bro. The Fed traders, you were with the Fed trade, bro. You just let them carry you away to the profits. I see us. I don't know if we're gonna rally. Will we rally here? We'll rally, or maybe not more. 15 minute. Do you trade kill zones? I don't even trade any of that. I just take a trade, bro. No, I'm just playing. I trade kill zones sometimes, especially on Forex. In indices, I try to wait for New York Stock Exchange. Probably Silver Bullet and then Silver Bullet AM session and PM session. If not during a macro. It could be like a lunch before the lunch macro. Or after the Silver Bullet macro, like right here at 1050. Majority of the time macros. But I try to follow the price too, you know, the PD arrays. This is clear. It's clear right here, market maker sell model. I mean buy model. Clear. I think we're just gonna rally up. Very clear, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna get that rally up soon, really soon. We can anticipate that. Especially since we have broken these highs. There's a clear distribution phase that is about to occur. Especially since quarterly theory showing signs of that reversal. I think I'm gonna use quarterly theory more, especially on the indices. Forex, we're gonna use it a little bit. Damn, we're pumping. I want to see signs of a market maker sell model. See, this is where the trades get juicy here. This is where the trades get juicy, ladies and gentlemen. London close right here. Started 10 to 11 or 11 to 12. I mean, for the Forex pairs. Quarterly theory. Use quarterly theory. I think quarterly theory is OP, bro. And then there's only two indicators I really would use. That's kind of why I have them here. But I think the ADR levels too are good. Average daily range by FX. Yeah, right here. This one. Is it FX? No. I think that's the only one, the other one too I would use. It's like average daily ranges. So like the 5-day average daily range. It's like a Judah swing meter too. So let's go on the hard time frame. A 15-minute chart you'll be able to see. So yeah. It's like that's 1/3 of the average daily range. Another 1/3. This is a 5-day average daily range. And then for the bottom price too, 5-day average daily range. And then it states out this right here. I think you can use New York. Uses midnight opening there. I think on this one, yeah. So it marks out New York midnight opening, then it uses that as a daily range. This one's really good too. Just like seeing the projection, I guess, where you want price to probably most likely head to. So we are hitting a premium. Hitting this PD array right here in a premium. On the 15 minutes on Euro. It's kind of what we wanted. And then this one too. I would mark this one a little bit more red. We're going to want to start seeing signs of rejection. If we don't, then this is inverse. Where we target probably these highs, since it is a market maker buy model. We would prefer a market maker sell model here forming. But we are hitting equilibrium. So if we don't respect equilibrium, and then this PD array, that's kind of like snapping for me that we're going to complete the market maker buy model and take out these highs for sure. But if we do start seeing those signs of rejection and a little signs of a reversal, then of course the market maker sell model. And again too, this is like a 4-hour sell sign balance. So on this one too, I think it's a 4-hour sell sign balance. So again, these 4-hour candles are going to take a while to print. Gotta go have a good day. Yeah, I'm thinking about. I gotta go too. I think I gotta walk my dog right now. I'm about to end the stream. I did say I was gonna stream for like an hour, so market maker buy model is about to be complete here on this one. Maybe these are where the trades start to kick in. Very clear, precise, concise, I should say. So I want to see more of a. We're gonna see if we can find more of a better trade idea on these. We're gonna go to the 5-minute. See if we can find anything. Probably the only thing I would probably find interesting is probably this right here. And then before I leave, I want to show y'all something, or try to give y'all something, I guess. We don't have anything there. ES, we have a big imbalance there. 5-minute, we're creating another one. We already had a market structure shift. So this is clear. Market maker buy model in the form of a reversal quarter. I want to see if ES comes down here. Probably more of a dealing range. I'd prefer to come down here maybe. Probably in this imbalance. Right here, this one, guys. Yeah, I want to take a trade. This one has to, probably consequent encroachment on this one too, though. Probably has to be respected. But even then, I would probably prefer just to dig deeper. Euro, we're not getting signs of a rejection yet. NQ, we're coming down. ES, we're not coming down as fast as I would like, honestly. And we have to be patient here, probably before. So NQ is dropping. We're inside that imbalance on NQ. We are respecting it. This one did create, I think, an SMT with EU. Yeah, it kind of did. This one has relatively good lows. This one has lower low. So this one is the weaker one. You can trade this one, but I would prefer ES for sure since it is looking a lot stronger. It's kind of like the 6 sister right here. You know, coming into a discount right here would be very ideal. Even if we don't respect this fair value gap, I see us coming up and respecting it later on. You know, pushing up above it. Yes, we're still there. So probably a trade idea will probably come in a little bit more valid here on this one. So we are respecting that imbalance. So we're gonna put an alert here. We're gonna watch ES or the forex pairs, I guess. If we don't come down, then it's perfectly fine for this one. If we don't come down, at least a discount, that's fine too. Forex pairs, we are getting some signs of rejection. GU, somewhat. This one is holding. It's a very good indication here. GU, we're not. I think GU. No, yeah, GU is the one. EU is not really showing signs of rejection yet. We have this right here with the mid-consequent encroachment. These are rallying, I bet. We're consolidating. I would just prefer more of a discounted price, and then eventually we start rallying. We can use standard deviation to take profit here. These areas right here. Some manipulation already occurred. So this 2.5, 2.2 to 2.5 area, I'll probably take profit if I was to take a trade here. But I'm not, because it's not deep into a discount enough. Even though it might respect it, it might push price higher. I probably won't take it. I'll probably take it on this. These look a lot more promising, I should say. That's how I should state it. Promising. These look promising too, but to me they just don't look. Probably this one would look a lot better if we were, but this not too promising for me for the indices already. I think forex is probably would offer a lot better movement if we get that market maker sell model here. So I just need to see us probably start breaking below the lows, start showing signs of rejection. That's what I'm waiting for. NQ is coming down. I think I'm in the stream here though. I gotta go, guys. I gotta watch this though. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. We need to zoom out. So yeah, 5-minute looks clear. We're rallying. Pretty broke structure. This order box right there. So just want to see. Just want to see us come back down to a discount. Oh yeah, big SMT. NQ is down there while ES is all the way up here. Very clear SMT. But I think I'm about to go, guys. I will probably stream tomorrow if I can, and I'll catch y'all later for sure. Peace.